All right, so today we have an exponential equation on the board, and we're going to try to solve for the value of u. Let's do it together. Okay, so we start with rewriting this 2, because we're trying to form this a minus b, a plus b. This is what we're trying to achieve. So we're trying to achieve a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. And also we're trying to achieve a3 plus b3 will give us a plus b into a squared plus b squared minus ab. So these are the equations that we're going to be using that are going to help us solve that question. Okay, so let's start. We're going to rewrite this 2. So we have u squared minus u cubed. 2 is the same thing as 1 plus 1. Okay, so we're going to move this to this side. So we have u squared minus u cubed minus 1 minus 1 all equal to 0. We know that 1 cubed is the same thing as 1, and 1 squared is the same thing as 1. So having those in mind, let's rewrite what we have here. We have u squared minus u cubed minus 1 squared minus 1 cubed equals 0. Now, so let's collect some like terms. We have some powers that are like terms. So we have u squared minus 1 squared, and we have minus u3 minus 1 raised to the power 3 equals 0. So this is the same thing as, we're going to rewrite this as what we have here. So that becomes u plus 1, u minus 1. Then let's rewrite this into what we have here. So this becomes minus u3 plus 1 raised to the power 3 equals 0. Because when we multiply out, this becomes minus u raised to the power 3. Minus times plus gives us minus 1 raised to the power 3, which is what we have here. Okay, so let's expand this. So now we have u plus 1, u minus 1, minus u plus 1, u squared plus 1 minus u. U times 1 is u, because our a is u and our 1 is b. So u times 1 will give us u. And here is our b is 1. 1 raised to the power 2 will give us 1. And then this is our u. A is u. That's u squared. And this is equal to 0. Now, we can collect some like terms. We have u plus 1 here and also u plus 1 there. So let's collect the like term. So u plus 1, that's a like term, into u minus 1 minus u squared. Minus times plus will give us minus 1. Minus times minus will give us plus u equals 0. So now we're going to go over there. We have u plus 1 into u minus 1 minus u squared minus 1 plus u equals 0. So now this becomes minus u squared. U plus u will give us plus 2u. Minus 1 and minus 1 will give us minus 2 equals 0. So now we have two equations, okay? So this becomes u plus 1 equals 0, equation 1, and minus u squared plus 2u minus 2 equals 0, equation 2. Now we can multiply both sides by minus 1 so that this becomes positive. Okay, let's do that. By minus 1, and this becomes u squared minus 2u plus 2 equals 0. Now, from equation 1, right, u is equal to minus 1. That's our u1. Okay? So now let's find our other values for u. To find the other values of u, we use our equation. U equals minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from this equation, our a is 1, our b is minus 2, and our c is 2. So let's plug these values into our equation. So we have that u is equal to minus times minus will give us plus. So we have 2 plus or minus. Our b is minus 2 squared minus 4, 1. Our c is 2. And we're dividing all through by 2 times 1. So this becomes u equals 2 plus or minus the root of minus 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so we're going to come back to this side and finish off this question. Okay, so over to this side. So now our u is equal to 2 plus or minus 4 minus 8 will give us minus 4 divided by 2. This becomes 2 plus or minus root of minus 1 times root of 4. Root of minus 1 times root of 4 is the same thing as root of minus 4. And we're dividing by 2. Now we know that minus 1, square root of minus 1 is I. So u is 2 plus or minus I. Square root of 4 is 2 divided by 2. Now we can collect like terms, okay? This becomes 2 into 1 plus or minus I divided by, or I times 1, same thing, 2. Then these cancel out. So u2, or let's say u, is equal to 1 plus or minus I, 1 plus or minus I. So u2 is 1 plus I. u3 is 1 minus I, and then u itself, u1 rather, is minus 1. Okay, so these are the 3 values of u that we found out. Okay, so now it's time to verify, to make sure that our values are correct. Okay, so we have that u raised to power 2 minus u raised to power 3 is equal to 2. And we have that u is equal to minus 1. So let's plug minus 1 in here. We have minus 1 squared minus minus 1 cubed. We're trying to find out if that's equal to 2. Minus 1 squared is 1 minus 1 raised to power 3. So minus times minus is plus. Minus times minus times minus. Minus times minus is plus. Plus times minus will give us minus. Okay, so this becomes minus 1. And we're trying to find out if that's equal to 2. Minus times minus will give us plus. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And that's equal to 2. So we can see that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Therefore, these values of u are correct. So if you've learned something new today, make sure that you like this video. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe, and also make sure that you share this video so somebody else can learn something new. I'll see you on the next one.